Hello everyone, in the previous tutorial we have learned how we can insert table in HTML page. Today we are going to learn how we can insert images in table. I would like to show you my page which I have designed already. Here you can see a table in which there are 2 rows and 4 columns. In the first row you can see the pictures of animal and in the second row you can see the pictures of birds. As I am moving my cursor or mouse, just see the name is also coming. Like I am on the first cell of the table. Here you can see where picture is coming and the name is also coming. If I am moving it to the next one, this is the elephant is coming. This is tiger. This is giraffe, peacock, pigeons, flamingo, and toucan. Okay, here you can see this is the basic structure of HTML. In H1 tag, I have taken this heading birds and animals pictures and I want to align it to the center. So I am using align here. Align equals to center. Now use table tag. Inside the table tag, use tr tag, which means table row, and then use td. Td stands for table data. Inside this table data, I am going to use my image tag and then use src and equals to double quotes. Inside the double quotes, you are going to give the name of the picture which you want to insert. So let's see. Here I have saved some pictures. You can see different pictures, some pictures of animals and some pictures of birds. So let's start. Or first I would like to take birds pictures, so I am using flamingo here, copying the name and then I am going to put this name inside this double quotes. Now I have to give height of the picture also, which I am taking as 250, and then width also, that is 250. Now use second td and then use image tag space src equals to, and then again give the name of the bird which you want to display. So like I want to give the name of toucan. So just paste the name of the picture here and then set the height and width. Here you can see there is only one row and with 2 columns. Okay, let's see the output. Before checking the output, we need to save it. So I am saving it by the name of collage. Collage.html. Save it. Now I am checking. Oh, my picture is not coming. This means there is a problem. And what is the problem? See, we have not given the extension. Extension is compulsory. So my extension is JPG, and then we need to give the extension for the second picture too, PG. Save it again and refresh. Yeah, now you can see pictures are coming. So like this we can add some more pictures. So what I am going to do, I am just going to copy these 2 TD because in one row I need 4 pictures. So I am taking 4 TD. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to change the name of the picture. That's it. So now refresh the page and just check the second row is coming or not. Oh wow, it has come. So like this we can create a table, and inside the table we can insert the pictures. Now we can decorate our table. How we can decorate? Now we need to align table also. So we will go in table tab and just put align equals to center. We want our table in center. I want to give table border also. So border equals to 15. I'm taking 15. So let's see how it will look like. Yeah, you can see a thick border has come. Now if you want to change the color of your border, you can change color also. How you can change? Just give border color, goes to whatever the color you want, you can give. So like I'm giving the brown one, so in the double quotes we can give the brown. That's it. So now you can see the color has changed. Now we need to give the title to the picture, like means the name of the pictures. So let's see how we can give that. Go to your notepad, and here in the image tag you can type title and name of the picture. So let's see, is it coming or not? Save it, refresh your picture, and now see, this name is coming. So like this we will give name to all the pictures. So this is the final output. I hope you like the video. Thank you.